the story is called The Dog Saved the Day. A cat went up a tree. She looked at the dog. She thought, the dog barked too much. The cat went up and went up and went up. But she was too high, and it was dinner time. She was scared, and the dog barked and barked and barked. Ruff, ruff, ruff. And some people go out of a house, and they look for a while, and they saw a cat was stuck on a tree. And the people take down the cat. This time, the cat see the dog. And he thought, the dog is very good. Meow, meow. Something never change. My favorite character is the dog. And my favorite part is the dog and the people help the cat.